G'day everyone, my name is Dennis. This is my little offsider Spencer, and we make the channel Tropical Zoom on YouTube. Now today I wanted to talk to you about our channel, why we do it, how often we do it, and how we get paid on YouTube. So, making a long story short, I actually signed up to YouTube back in 2007, believe it or not. I wanted to sell a little outboard motor, and I wanted to show the prospective buyer that the outboard motor wasn't just a nice little motor in good condition, but it also ran. So I remember making a little 10-second video clip of the motor getting started, using the throttle and turning it off again. That went really well. I think I sold the motor straight away. It wasn't until about 4 or 5 years ago I realized that people were getting paid on YouTube, and I thought, well, that's pretty cool. I always enjoyed making videos. So I remember reading through the conditions. To become a YouTube partner on the YouTube Partner Program, you need to have reached 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months and have 1,000 subscribers. I remember it took me about 18 months to get to those totals. And then once I did, getting paid from YouTube. And I remember the first day's amount was 29 cents. But I was tickled pink. I thought, woohoo! Just the fact that I was earning something from making little videos was really cool. And that's where it started. Not long after that, yes, we bought the little motorhome and I started doing trips. And I've always thought it was a good idea to record our activities and our holidays and look back on them as time went by. Naturally, I went public with my videos, which was a bit scary at first because no matter what you do, I'd say 98% of people always give you a thumbs up and say something nice, but no matter what you do or where you do it or how you do it, there's always, 1 or 2% that will criticize you and be mean and nasty. You've just got to be thick-skinned and blow that off. In August 2020, when I had the 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, I started earning money, and I think my first month I didn't quite make $20. I might have made about $18. And that's when I found out that you don't get paid until you have $100 into your YouTube account. So let's say if you earned $90 in January, you won't get paid on the 22nd of February. But if you earn $90 in February, after 90 in January, you'll get $180 on the 22nd of March. It always seems to be about a month ahead of itself. Now, my payments over the last 3 years, they've varied a bit. They've slowly gone up. Now my main page here, you'll see my channel name is Tropical Zooms. I've got 3.55 thousand subscribers. That's 3,500 subscribers. I've made 258 videos, and my most popular video, that's the one that pops up here on this page, is my JK Conquest review. I think that video is about 3 years old now. If you now look at the following page, this is my most popular video, and it's got 73,000 views over the last 3 years. It's fairly consistent. You can see that 45-degree line up there on the views shows that it hasn't really dropped off in any interest. Oh, there you can see down the bottom it's 993 days old. Now it's made $1,102.23 since its time of publishing. I always refer to this one as a slow burner. It didn't start off being overly popular. It didn't get a ton of views straight away, but what I've found is this particular one where you're giving a review on my motorhome, and other ones I've done where I've repaired an awning, how to fix an awning, how to adjust an awning, how to change a spare tire. All the how-to videos have been my slow burners. They might not have grabbed a huge amount of revenue at the start, but they never seem to die either. They seem to, like this, the motorhome one, I think still gets about 1,500 views a month and doesn't seem to be tapering off. And I think it earns about $2 a day. It doesn't sound like a lot, but we've got 258 videos. It'd be great if I earned $2 a day on all of those. It's a shame I don't though. Now, here's an average month for me. In January, I was paid $166, and that was for the month of December. And so far in January, and I think this is, I took this shot a little while ago. So far in January, I've earned $129.79, and that was on the 19th of January. When I first started, I was making a video every fortnight, and I felt that I was trying to push out quantity, but I think by doing them for me, once a fortnight, was affecting my quality. So after about the first 18 months I decided to drop off because I'm working full-time and I'm always racing around the house doing bits and pieces, and it was always a bit of an effort, so I decided to drop my quantity and try and improve my quality, and in doing so my views slowly went up. Now for an average month now, you can see here back to my Tropical Zooms photo, in the last 28 days, and this is January 2025, in the last 28 days I've had 16.9 thousand views, I've had 1,000 hours watch time, I've gained 60 new subscribers, and for the last 28 days I'd earned $143.88. And that's the last 28 days. Keep in mind that, you know, there's 30 or 31 days, so I generally earn a little bit more than that. 150 is probably my average. I think my best month earnings were $277, and my worst in the last probably year is $99. And that's annoying because, as I said before, if you don't earn more than $100, that $99 will sit there until the following month, which is when you'll go over that $100 mark. So I think I need to improve. Now, why do I do YouTube? I do YouTube because I like looking back on memories, creating moments into memories. If you look back over my last 5 years, in 2020, from August, I started receiving payments in August. In that year, I earned a whopping $103.05. And in 2021, I earned $575.50. 2022, $1,164.91. In 2023, $1,718.14. And in 2024, $2,883.05. Now, I touched on it a minute ago. I've got some videos that I call slow burners and other videos which are like my feature videos, my trip videos. And I notice when I do my trip videos, this last particular one to Bermagui, I notice when I publish a video, it gets a lot of views in the first weeks and then tapers off. And every time I put a new motorhome trip video out, it'll go very, very good for the first few days, and as the week goes by, it'll slowly taper off. So in a perfect world, it would probably be good to make one video a week, but I just don't have the time. I would still make videos even if I wasn't getting paid. So you've just got to have the right outlook. If you're doing it for the pay, I'm earning the same as what a 14-year-old does at McDonald's. But I really enjoy it. Like I said, if I didn't get paid, I'd still make videos anyway. I like looking back on memories. And one thing I say to a lot of people when they're going on trips, I always encourage other people to make videos and even open their own YouTube channels, because YouTube is free. It's just like signing up for an email address. It's free, and it's like having a free iCloud account. You can put all your videos, all your photos on there and look back on them whenever you want. YouTube, you can have videos private so that only you can see them. You can have them unlisted so that you can still share the links with your friends and family that you want to see, or you can make them public and open yourself up to the whole world for other people to enjoy and criticize at the same time. How does YouTube pay us? Well, there's a massive amount of companies that pay YouTube to advertise their products in the form of ads. So YouTube charges these companies and they display their ads on our videos, the videos that us creators upload to all the viewers that watch them. YouTube then pay us 55% of the ad revenue. And as a general rule, and it does vary depending on the size of the ads, the length of the ads, about $20 per 1,000 views. That's just one way you can earn money through YouTube. Another way is through sponsorship. And I noticed when I got to about 2,500 subscribers and around 500,000 views, advertisers started contacting me, or companies started contacting me. My first one was the Aurora company, who asked me to review their heated jacket, which was really cool. It was a battery operated winter jacket. It had 4 different settings from warm to hot. It had a little rechargeable battery, 10 hours of operation, and I absolutely loved it. They said, try it out. If you like it, give us a positive review and you can keep the jacket. So, and without a word of a lie, I absolutely love this jacket. I still have it now, only that it's summer. I haven't used it, but I'll be using it again next winter. My second one was a home security company, and they sent me out home security cameras, which is great when you're away in the motorhome up and down the coast, just to be able to jump on your little mobile phone and check out how your house is. I had one on my top level, top deck, and my bottom garage level. So once again, I was tickled pink with that. I love it. I still use it today. The third company was a dash cam for this little motorhome. And once again, I love that. I think dash cams are very handy. If there's a prank, you're a witness. If someone's road raging or something goes wrong, you've got video evidence to back up your own movements and keep you safe. The fourth one was some camping equipment. Cutlery, it was all joined together in a nice little packaging, and that was pretty cool too. So I think that, as I said, the jacket was about $450. The home security cameras were about $500 for the bundle. The dash cam was about $300, and I'm not sure how much the camping cutlery was, but if you add that to what I've earned in ad revenue, that's pretty cool. It's starting to look pretty good. As well as that, there's another thing called supers, and that's where a viewer can see your video, and if he's absolutely, or she is absolutely in love with your video and think you've done a good job, they can actually click on this thing called supers and give you $1, $2, $5, $10 or upwards tip. I haven't had that yet. I don't think I'm good enough. Yeah, so that's another way. So yeah, there's a lot of different ways you can earn money on YouTube, and it's all fun. YouTube Shorts versus YouTube Longs. I've played around with YouTube Shorts, but basically people either view YouTube Shorts or YouTube Longs. I think for every YouTube Short video I've made, and sometimes I've made a YouTube Short video from one of my long form videos, out of 100 people that watch my YouTube Short video, only about 2 or 3 will go over and watch my YouTube Long. So I think the effort you put into making YouTube Shorts doesn't really make a significant difference to YouTube Longs. I think I'm better off putting all my energy into YouTube Longs, and that's why I also don't really use any other forms of social media. I've tinkered with Instagram and TikTok. I think I've removed TikTok altogether. I've very rarely used Instagram. YouTube Shorts I'll play around with, but I don't think they do YouTube Longs much good. A YouTube Long, I notice if you get 1,000 views in a YouTube Long, like I mentioned before, you get about $20. If you get 1,000 views in YouTube Shorts, and admittedly they're only 20-30 seconds, I get about 10 cents. So I don't see the point in doing YouTube Shorts for an income. YouTube Shorts definitely give you subscribers and they'll get views on YouTube Shorts, but as I said before, they won't carry over to YouTube Longs. I have started another couple of channels here and there, but again, I was trying to focus a lot of energy into that and a lot of energy into this channel. Now only focus on Tropical Zoom. All right, I think that sums up everything. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you when I can. I hope you like it. Feel free to subscribe for more, and I'll see you all out there. Thanks again. Bye-bye.